Hey everyone, welcome to Dianore Designs. Ever looked around your living space and wondered if you're more of a maximalist or a minimalist? Today I'm going to help you find your perfect design style by comparing these two popular design philosophies. Let's dive in. First up, minimalism. Think Marie Kondo and that sense of calm that comes with decluttering. Minimalist design is all about simplicity and functionality. Everything has a purpose. Clean lines, neutral colors, and open spaces define this style. Imagine a room with just a sleek sofa, a coffee table, and maybe a single piece of art on the wall. It's all about quality over quantity. Less is definitely more. Now, on to maximalism. If minimalism is a whisper, maximalism is a shout. It's bold, vibrant, and full of life. Maximalist design encourages you to fill your space with colors, patterns, and textures. Think eclectic collections, layered rugs, and walls covered in art. It's about expressing your personality and creating a visually stimulating environment. More is more here, so how do you choose? Start by considering your personality and lifestyle. Do you thrive in a clutter-free environment and appreciate simplicity? Minimalism might be your match, or do you love being surrounded by your favorite things and enjoy a creative, energetic space? Then maximalism could be for you. Another factor to consider is the size of your space. Minimalism works wonders in small apartments or homes where space is at a premium. It makes the area feel larger and more open. On the other hand, maximalism can turn a bigger home into a cozy, personalized haven filled with character and charm. Let's talk about maintenance. Minimalist spaces are generally easier to clean and maintain. With fewer items, there's less to dust and organize. Maximalist spaces, while visually stunning, require more upkeep. You'll need to stay on top of organizing and cleaning your collections. Finally, think about your goals for the space. Do you want a sanctuary to relax and unwind? Minimalism's serene and uncluttered vibe might be perfect. If you want a space that inspires creativity and feels lively, maximalism's dynamic and colorful approach could be the answer. In the end, it's all about what makes you feel at home. And remember, you can always blend elements of both styles to create a space that's uniquely yours. So, are you team minimalism or team maximalism? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more design tips. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.
You got me loose and set me free.